Your question is prove by mathematical induction for all n small n, that means number belongs to your natural number. They have given 1 by 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9 plus so on up to 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. Here they have given you that is equal to n by 3 into 2n plus 3. So first we will take all the full equation is your Pn. Pn. Now we have to prove that Pn is true. For that what we have to take? We have to take n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Now substitute this value here and here. What we will get? See that. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 plus 3 is 5. That is equal to, we can say it's 1 by 15. Here also. So what you will get? See this 1 by 3 into 2 plus 3 is 5. Again you will get 1 by 15. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore Pn is true. Now we will assume that n is nothing but it's a k. It's a k. And k belongs to your natural number. Therefore here what we will take? N is equal to k. Next step is n is equal to k. So your equation will get changed. Instead of n you will get k. So here what you will get? 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9 plus so on up to 1 by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3, and right side also it will get changed. That is equal to, we can say is k by 3 into 2k plus 3. Now if Pn is true, Pk is also true. Pk is also true. Now we will take Pk plus 1 is true or false. So we will take Pk plus 1. This one. By adding, this is the step, Pk plus 1 means this is up to k. That means in front of this you have to add k plus 1. So your equation again it will get changed. It will become 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9 plus so on up to 1 by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. This we have written up to here. And further we have to add k plus 1. Therefore here it will come as 1 by, now instead of 2k you have to write 2 into k plus 1. It will come as 2k plus 2. So therefore here it will come as 2k plus 2 plus 1 is 3. And here it will come as 2k plus 2 plus 3. 2k plus 5. Now, so if you add this side, again you have to add this side also. So here what you will get? See this? This will be your k plus 1 by 3 into 2k plus 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is your RHS and this is your LHS now. Now we have to solve this LHS. What we will get? See this black one is nothing but your k by 3, 2k plus 3. That only we will write here, k by 3 into 2k plus 3. And this is extra. Here we have to add that. That is your 1 by 2k plus 3. And here comes 2k plus 5. Now take the LCM. So what is the LCM here? You can see 2k plus 3 is here and here. Therefore the LCM is 3 and this value. So here comes like that. 3 and here comes 2k plus 3 and here comes 2k plus 5. Therefore, here it will come k into this value, 2k plus 5. 2k plus 5 plus, here it is 1, that means here it will come 3 only. 3. This is equal to, now solve this, you will get what? 2k square plus 5k plus 3 by this value, 3 into 2k plus 3 and 2k plus 5. Now split this. So here it comes 2 into 3 is 6. So here center is 5. That means 2 plus 3 is 5 also. So therefore it will come as 2k square plus 2k half. So next is your here 3k plus 3 by same value. That means 3 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 5. Now solve this. Here you will get 2k as common. So you will get 2k as common. Here it will be k plus 1. And here comes 3 as common. Again k plus 1 by 3 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 5. Now, so for that, if you see the factors, what it will be? It will be k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 by 3 into 2k plus 3 and 2k plus 5. Now if you see 2k plus 3 is gone. Therefore you will get what? K plus 1 by 3 into 2k plus 5. Now you can see this is your LHS, RHS is also same. Therefore we can say that what? Pn is true for all n belongs to natural number.